Hello, I was just sent this acne set here of these 3 tools, and I'm really excited to try out this one here. We have this silicone head on this device here for scrubbing stuff out of your T-zone or your lips or wherever you choose. It has this closely together pieces here, and on this side they're farther apart, and it would be great to scrub oils out of your skin. And then on these, we have these non-slip mechanisms on the device here, which makes it really easy to grasp. And these double-sided tools here to pop out anything and get rid of any blackheads with pressure. And this one here, take off this little safety thing. This comes with this sharp side to prick the acne, and then you can squeeze it out using either this tool here or this head here. And I want to try this device here on my face. I would probably usually add water or soap, but this here already feels super relaxing on my face even without the water, and I could already tell it's drawing up some of those pores in my nose. And all of these would be really great just to clear up the skin and do this sanitarily, and I'm really excited to try these out.